We have created comic project on theme technology and innovation. The story is revolving around a kid named Cody. The comic is titled as Cody and the Future Factory. Being a quiet kid, Cody have always been amazed by robots and technology. He is a child with no friends and finds no interest in the lessons of classroom. Cody can be referred as the escapist. We have created 4 different labs to showcase various vocational skills. These labs are Coding Lab, Green Lab, Skill Zone Gallery and Animation Studio. After passing each lab, we have added an interactive quiz to examine users' knowledge related to the skill he learned in each lab. The viewer can answer the quiz based on the knowledge gained. If he or she failed to give the correct answer, then further proceeding would be denied.
For example, the coding lab asks questions like the kind of tool used to write a code. In the next quiz, the question asked is related to the kind of message taught in the green lab. The Skill Zone Galleries quiz questions the user about the business simulation run by a student. The last quiz includes a question in context to storyboarding.
फिर 24 सेकंड.
After the completion of all 4 quizzes, the user will be able to learn about 4 vocational skills through our interactive comic book. The user can master all these skills and the process of achieving his or her dream can be fulfilled through the skills they gained.